It's gonna be.
What's up, everyone? It's me, your Shuri John Flash, and this is Truly Asian Diaries Vlog Takeover.
Malaysia! Oh my God!
Mare, madilim talaga siya.
Dilem, ano ba yan? Videographer natin. Wala ka ng light.
Walang ilaw eh.
Ay, ilaw na.
Okay na. Kami ang galing sa ano? Forest.
Video ba?
Video ba?
Bonjour.
Oo.
Bonjour. Sakto pa may music, di ba? Sakto yung music, di ba?
Hindi parang nagsikan. Ay, Mr. Muscle na
Hi. Hello! We're heading to saan tayo pupunta? Saan tayo pupunta?
Penang.
Pineng. We're heading to Pineng.
Hindi ko na alam saan tayo pupunta.
This is Ron 2024.
This is Rod from DJI Technical Support.
Thank you for calling.
Yes. 2024 ano.
At the end of this video,
At the end of the video, there two quick survey. Cameron!
Yeah, look at that. Lahat na nakikita nyo dyan, guys. Hindi sa amin yan. Dinadaanan lang namin yan. Kanino yan? Kanino daw? Yung mga dinaanan natin. Putang ina mo. Sa mga kakasino mo, ganun. Joe, say hi. This is our driver, our drifter. Yala. Let's go to Penang. Lahat po sila ang tatas ng energy.
Matanggal yung part na yun.
Walang cut po ito. Dire-diretso po to. Unfilled. True. Gano'n ka raw? No laugh.
From Kuala Lumpur. He will translate everything word by word. Nagtandaan ko, dinubuko yung utak ko.
My English already expires, Joe. No, just put subtitle on the video so Joe will understand.
Joe will watch it.
Yala.
Eh, di magkapangpangan na ka rin.
Welcome to Sophie's Mom. Apparently Joe is the one driving for today. And Kat, the fashionista. And Cla, the sleepy lady.
Right?
Oh my God. And look at the epic view. Epic view at the side. It's so beautiful.
Where are we now?
And here,
Kat is asking.
as you can see here, it's all trees.
Pinang na daw kaya?
Yes, Joe, anything to say?
So far, nothing else. There's have a fun journey. Yeah.
Still get a sleep. You're our pilot for today.
People at the back all suddenly they
Don't be non-pilot error.
don't find it heavy, huh?
No, not my
No data analysis for this.
It's alright. I think I gained energy. I slept before you guys.
Bro. Ipo.
Ipo. It's right there.
Vloggers.
Yeah, that's right.
Welcome to Agro Mall, where agriculture is there.
안녕하세요.
Hi vlog! Vlog takeover! So right now, we're here. We had a stopover.
Because she needs to pee again.
It's because someone needs to pee. Because we are yet to
Toronto, ganun yun, ha?
She's not Toka because he says Toronto. It is Toronto.
Toronto.
Tarantado.
So, nag-yosi sila and I'm here inside kasi it's too hot.
Kaya nagbabalat ako.
Habang nagbabalat ako, habang nag-feel yung skin ko. So, baka naman...
Nasaan ka na?
Ayoko doon sa ano, coffee, natapon. Kainis na tapunan ako kanina. Dumi na tuloy. So, I'm passing the camera to the person na kilala ko na laging nagyoyosi kada break kahit di naman break.
Ayan, I'm passing the pocket.
I'm passing the Osmo packet sa friend kong magpapunch ng washroom break pero magyoyosi sa level 5.
Kung hindi ako yun. I'm passing the Osmo Pocket sa lagi nagpapasukol. Laging...
Wait.
Ang bagal, Mari, hanggang pa... pa-vlog puta.
Black takeover, Clara, gano'n.
Hi everyone! So right now,
I'm passing the Osmo packet, gano'n.
kaya nga right now, I'm passing this Osmo packet to a friend who keeps on... Wait. Uy, hindi pa ako ready pa.
And we arrive at the hotel. Yes, Penang.
Oh my God! Joey,
Dito ako matutulog mamaya.
own room!
Solo room.
Dito ako matutulog.
Hiya!
Sorry. Yung rice.
This is our paella. Adobo de STL. Plus, saing by Rosmar.
Tapos ako na to. Ito na yung totoong pagkain talaga. Ganyan dapat magsaing.
May butas-butas.
Kasi yan yung pinanggalingan ng jitlog. Oh, diba?
Ano na, ang tagal. Naku, sarado na po yung pupuntahan. Paka ko, Ay. Nako, mga ang tatagal. Sarado na po yung pupuntahan. Ang hirap talaga pag puro babae yung kasama.
Let's go!
We are heading to Love Lane. Love Lane, chalet. Oh, ito pa pinakamatagal. Naku, yung pinakamatanda talaga lagi matagal eh. Go. Oh, kaya. Nakakainis.
Very demure.
Very cutesy. Pero mas demure to, walang bahid.
Nakailang outfit change siya.
Walang bahid ng...
Tanongin mo si Kat kung ilang beses siya nag-outfit siya.
Ay, kailang tapos nagdura pa ng lipstick.
Paapangan nalaplap yung labi.
Ojo.
Yeah.
Asking.
What?
Oh, never mind.
When's her name changing?
When she's drunk.
Oh, she's
Later
drunk, okay.
now. Watch out,
Okay.
Joe.
Okay.
She's gonna be transformed to Sophia. Saan yung beef mo, anak? Daddy, saan yung beef mo ng anak ko?
Ay, papaya mo. Huwag niyo ginaganyan. Ayusin niyo yan. Iiwan kita sa anak. Iiwan kita sa school. Bobo kayo di ka sa UP. Iiwan kita sa
Where are you going, guys? We're going to Lebanon. Which one? This? No, la. Where are we going? Lebanon? We're going to...
Next sa Laguna.
Ah,
Parang mali na ata yung GPS, B.
what's... Anong nangyayari, T? What's happening?
Nawawala po tayo.
Look. Are we lost?
Baby girl.
Are you lost, baby girl?
We're getting lost in this paradise.
Ikaw nyo, IMU calibration nyo.
GPS check. Signal lost. This is like Love Lane. Ah, no, Frandy. Hi guys, where are you going? Goals ako dito. Hindi ako kasama sa vlog. Gigita ka, yes, Ron? What are you flexing?
Ayan. Wala lang kami makitang place dahil nagsasarado na sila. Ano masabi mo?
So sad.
So sad, guys. Gemma,
I'm speechless.
speechless siya dahil wala na kami makita. And napakadilim dito. So wala kami makita. We're just waiting. Sarado na sila. So last option
Ayaw na
namin,
tayo
Love Lane.
papasukin. Next! Saan daw
Next
na-
destination is ano yun?
Love-
Love Lane. Sana swertehin kami doon. So medyo madilim. Medyo madilim and ayan na, lumiliwanag na. Ayan.
Makikita nyo na.
Go to the Love Lane.
We're gonna go to the Love Lane. Ang panghi
So apparently we're still looking for our adventure for tonight and
siya. Mami, madilim naman yung vlog mo.
it's still dark. Ang dilim talaga. Oh, ito.
Pailaw na ang lolo mo. So I'm gonna pass over the camera.
So I'm gonna pass over to these people that I don't see.
Sidihin mo to. I don't see.
I don't see.
Multo. Kabog! Kabog! Dahil wala kami makita. Kabog. So pag wala tayong ano, dito tayo. Ayan. Diba? Oh, diba perfect?
Hi! So ayun, so sad. ayaw kaming paupuin sa soybean. Ah, soybean. Ano ba yun kasi? Bean bag. So madilim. Madilim. Ah, oo nga. Ah, yeah. Ay, hi! Ay, video pala to. Video. Hi guys. So ayun, so sad. So it just so happened. Passing this Osmo to our friend Gemaline, who is very shy. Mag-hello ka na daw.
Yeah, way past the hype. Charot! I passed this to Kat. Aura na lang tayo, man. Parang nakainom ka na.
Kabog! Kabog!
Bibili sila ng... Wait lang, Kat! Dito tayo sa mapog. Sa mga... Bibili ng nagsa 7-Eleven. Nasa